Students, today we will do problem set 6. Okay. So first sum you can try yourself. That is very simple. Now second sum I will try to do it. Okay. Now second sum. If sin theta equal to 11 upon 61, then find cos theta. So as we have done in the first exercise, see, we have to use the trigonometrical identities. So what is the trigonometrical ratio connecting sin theta? That is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. Now sin square theta means what? Sin theta the whole square plus cos theta the whole square equal to 1. This is the meaning of that, right? So you don't get confused. So now you put the value of sin theta, 11 upon 61 the whole square plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 11 11s are 121 upon 3721 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Our aim is to find out cos theta, right? So cos square theta equal to 1 minus 121 upon 3721. So take LCM, 3721. So 3721 minus 121. Therefore cos square theta equal to 3600 upon 3721. Taking square root on both the sides. Taking square root on both the sides, we get square root of cos square theta equal to square root of 3600 upon 3721. So what is the square root of cos square theta? Cos theta is equal to 60 upon 61. Is it simple? Yeah, it is very simple. Now we will do the second sum. If tan theta equal to 2, then find all other trigonometrical ratios. Now look at this. Now here we will consider triangle, where angle ABC equal to 90 degree and angle ACB equal to theta. Okay, no problem at all. Now, what is given to you is tan theta. Given tan theta equal to 2. This is theta. Tan theta means what? Opposite side upon adjacent side. So tan theta equal to opposite side upon adjacent side equal to, what is opposite side? AB upon BC is equal to, what is given? But tan theta equal to 2. That means 2 upon 1 is given. That means AB is 2K, BC is equal to 1K. Therefore AB equal to 2K, BC equal to 1K. Right? Now this is a triangle, but triangle ABC is a right triangle. So right triangle means what will come to in your mind? It is a Pythagoras theorem can be applied. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is equal to 2K square plus 1K square That means 4k square plus 1k square, that is 5k square. Look at this. AC square equal to 5k square. Therefore, what is AC? AC equal to root 5 into k. So, root 5 into k. This is what AB, 2k. This is 1k. Now, can you find out all other ratios? Yes. What is cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse is equal to BC upon AC is equal to root 5k upon 1k is equal to root 5. So, what is tan theta? Sorry, tan theta you are knowing it already. Sin theta equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. What is opposite side? AB upon AC. So 2k upon root 5k. K cancelled. So if you wanted, you can do it like this also. 2 upon root 5. So tan theta you are knowing. Now what is cosec theta? 1 upon sin theta. That means what? The inverse of sin theta. So what will happen? Root 5 upon 2. What is sec theta? Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon what is cos theta? Root 5. Then what is cot theta? 1 upon tan theta. So is equal to 1 upon what is tan theta? It is given to you 2. So all the trigonometrical ratios we could find out. Now next sum you can try 4 sum, then we will do 5th sum. This is very interesting sum. Prove that all are proof. Sec theta into 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1. So proof means what we will do, as I told you, we will take one side and we will prove it that is equal to the other side. So we will take left hand side equal to sec theta into 1 minus sin theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Right? Now what we will do is, we will multiply this. So sec theta minus sin theta into sec theta. This we will write as it is. What is that? Sec theta plus tan theta. Here this type of sums, no, you have to make some adjustment. Seeing that answer, then you will get it. Okay. Now for example, what is sec theta? 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta into what is sec theta? 1 upon cos theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Now what is the reason we wrote sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta? That's all. Now look at this. What is 1 upon cos theta? Sec theta minus what is sin into 1 sin theta upon cos theta. If you want, you can write one more step. See, sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta. Now look at this, a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. That is sec square theta minus tan square theta But what is sec square theta minus tan square theta? It is 1 only. So what is the reason? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So this is how we got the answer. Now next one. This is also very interesting. Prove that sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta equal to cos theta. Same thing. We will take left hand side and we will try to simplify to get the required right hand side. So left hand side equal to sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. Okay. Now we will do, what is sec theta? 1 upon cos theta plus what is tan theta? Sin theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So what is the reason? Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta and tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now look at this. What we will get here? What is the LCM here? Cos theta. See, LCM is same. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now look at this. What is a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So this is 1 square minus sin square theta upon cos theta. 1 square is 1. 1 minus sin square theta upon cos theta. Now you tell me, what is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So you take this side. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So this I am going to write here. So what is that? Cos square theta upon cos theta. So is equal to cos theta into cos theta upon cos theta. So what you will get? Cos theta. That is your right hand side. So very simple it is. Followed what we did? We have written the value of sec theta and tan theta. Then we have simplified and we have used the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and then we got the answer. Now next one, it is really interesting sum. Next one. Prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. See, it is very interesting sum. What is sec theta? 1 upon cos theta. So it is 1 upon cos square theta. What is cosec theta? Sin theta. So it is 1 upon sin square theta. Reason I will write sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta and cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now we will take LCM. LCM means what? We have to multiply. So sin square theta into cos square theta. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta. So what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? It is 1. 1 upon sin square theta into cos square theta. What is the reason? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Right? Now this I will adjust and write 1 upon sin square theta into 1 upon cos square theta. Can I write? Yes. Because 1 ones are 1. We are getting the same thing. So what is 1 upon sin? Cosec square theta. What is 1 upon cos? Sec square theta. So same thing. So we will write sec square theta into cosec square theta equal to RHS. So we have proved this result. It is also very interesting. Now we will do the next sum. Fourth sum. Prove that cot square theta minus tan square theta equal to cosec square theta minus sec square theta. So as usual we will take left hand side equal to cos square theta minus tan square theta. Sorry, it is cot square theta. Now what is the formula? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay, here what we got? Cot square theta. So we will take it here. So cot square theta, this will take it here. Cosec square theta minus 1. So it is cosec square theta minus 1 minus. Now what is tan square theta? See, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Now here what is that tan square theta? So this will come here. Tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. So here sec square theta minus 1. So cosec square theta minus 1 multiply minus sec square theta minus into minus plus. So we got cosec square theta minus sec square theta. See here, it is your left right hand side. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. This is also very interesting sum. Now next one. Prove that tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. So as usual we will take left hand side, tan raised to 4 theta plus tan square theta. Now let us see what will happen. Now look at this. This is tan raised to 4 theta means what? Tan square theta the whole square plus tan square theta. Followed or not? Yes. So what is common in this? Tan square theta. So what is happening here? Tan square theta plus 1. Okay. Now what will happen? What is tan square theta? This is okay. Tan square theta into what is 1 plus tan square theta? See, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So this you take it here. 1 plus tan square theta. So what is that? Sec square theta. So here we can write sec square theta. Now what is tan square theta again? Here sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. So here we will do it. Sec square theta minus 1 into sec square theta. So multiply sec raised to 4 theta minus sec square theta. This is equal to your right hand side. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Now I will explain to you. Now what I did is tan to the power 4 theta, here tan square theta is there. So I made this in the form of tan square theta the whole square. Okay. Now you see, look at this, in these two we have got common as tan square theta. So I have taken out. So you have got tan square theta plus 1. But what is tan square plus 1? Sec square theta. Okay. Now again, what is tan square theta? Sec square theta minus 1. I have written. Then I have multiplied. I got the desired result. Now next one. Sixth sum. Prove that 1 upon 1 minus sin theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sin theta equal to 2 sec square theta. Here nothing to worry. This is also very simple. What you have to do? We take left hand side, simplify, you will definitely get the right hand side. So proof. Left hand side equal to 1 upon 1 minus sin theta plus 1 upon 1 plus sin theta. Now we will be taking the LCM. 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay. Now cross multiply. So 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta. This will get cancelled. You will be getting 2 upon. Okay. Now, what is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. What is the reason? A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Now, it is 2 upon 1 minus sin square theta. Now, so equal to 2 upon, what is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. What is the reason? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Very simple. So, this is 2 into 1 upon cos square theta. What is 1 upon cos? What is the inverse of cos? Sec. So 2 into sec square theta. That is equal to your right hand side. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. I will explain to you what you did here. You have simplified by taking LCM. And then in the numerator, we have got plus sin theta minus theta. That got cancelled. So you got 2. In the denominator, you have got of the form a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. So we have got 1 minus sin square theta. But what is the identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. So now I am writing like this, 2 into 1 upon cos square theta. What is 1 upon cos? Sec. So sec square theta. That's all. Now next sum we will do. Eighth sum, tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 equal to sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So here also we'll be doing the same thing. We'll take the left hand side, tan theta upon sec theta plus 1. Now here what we have to do is little adjustment. I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator by tan theta. So tan theta into tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 into tan theta. See here I have multiplied. Okay. So what is tan into tan? Tan square theta upon sec theta plus 1 into tan theta. Now what is tan square theta? Sec square theta minus 1 upon sec theta plus 1 into tan theta. See here, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. See what is here? Tan square theta. So this I am taking it here, this here. So sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. So what is sec square theta minus 1? So I will write sec square theta minus 1 square upon sec theta plus 1 into tan theta. Now look at this. This is a square minus b square formula. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So sec theta plus 1 sec theta minus 1 upon sec theta plus 1 into tan theta. It is getting cancelled. So you have got sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. That is your right hand side. So let me explain again what I did. See here it is typical sum. Different type. Typical means different type. Here what I did, I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by tan theta. So I got tan square theta here. So tan square theta means what I wrote? Sec square theta minus 1. Again sec square theta minus 1 I wrote sec square theta minus 1 square. In order to bring that in the form of a square minus b square. So I got sec theta plus 1, sec theta minus 1. Then sec theta minus 1, sec theta minus 1 getting cancelled. I got the required right hand side. That's all. Now we will see some more problems in the next lecture. Okay. And if you have not subscribed the channel, you can just press the subscribe button. It is free only, not to worry. Okay.